So it is like 4 o'clock in the morning. It was starting to get to me, so I had to get up and move around. Miho just sat in front of me. I tried to get the camera going fast enough. He just feels awful. He's just like, he literally sat in front of me and looked at me like, do something about this, and then looked up at the fucking vent. Like, it's amazing. They know, you know? They know where it's coming from. They know. They're not tired because it's 4 o'clock in the morning. They're sick because some crazy, insane bitch keeps fucking with them. Hi, sweetie. I know, baby. Hi. Okay. Okay. Both of their eyes have just become so sunken in. Look at this. Look at that. And opaque, which you can't really tell because of the flash, but... And always dehydrated, always thirsty, always nauseated. There's a crazy crack whore up in the fucking attic who's a very real person. Hey, kitty. Kitty's eye looks like it is slightly bleeding again. They'll say it's something else, but when I've seen bright red blood drop out of his eyeball, which I do actually have a picture of. Alright, sweetie. Kitty's a fucking rock star. I know. So no pinkness, all white. One of the ways my neighbor from the other side comes right in this back door. Him and his dead-eyed roommate, that too bad for him, actually looks like a fucking terrorist. He had a date tonight coming over to his house, and I thought to myself, I wonder if she's going to get drugged and raped. I wonder if they'll drug and rape her. It's okay, kitty. Anyhow, yeah, this is my nasty-ass kitchen, because, well, pretty much I'm on drugs all the time. I'm not gonna lie, it's not very, motivating to... And I have no appetite. I've barely eaten today. I've lost weight as well. Not just me and all the animals. I can feel all their ribs more. I can see their ribs more. I'm feeding them, but I guess, you know. I know, baby. I know. Hey, kitty. And if you're going to tell me take them to the vet, I've tried that. Nobody wants to fucking believe me. It's fucking insane. It's like living in a fucking world, different dimension of life. Where Los Angeles Police Department, Van Nuys, Detective Briscoe's never heard of a woman being drugged and raped before, never heard of a woman who can't identify her attacker. Yeah, shocking. There you go, sweetie.